beautiful established part of Southeast Lakeland. This is on Lake Point Drive. Scott Lake is directly in front of me. I'm going to try to give you an idea of the close proximity that you are regarding this home we're getting ready to tour. You also have a private access point to the lake too, which is again, just another great thing about this property. We're going to take a look at it. This is like over 3,600 square feet, very uniquely laid out, absolutely gorgeous. Let's go take a look. I'm excited to present to you 1249 Lake Point Drive. This is a really cool home, and it's on the very end of a cul-de-sac. Oh, we've got a bird talking to us here. And this lot wraps all the way around. You must know that we're actually doing a video. All right, but take a look at the lot. I'm gonna show you a lot more. This is listed courtesy of my friend, Bill Kilpatrick with Keller Williams. And so he's a great agent. We've known each other for a long time. And so we're gonna highlight his beautiful listing here. Again, this is on a cul-de-sac. Okay, Scott Lake is directly over here. I'm gonna get a little bit higher on the home here and give you an idea of where Scott Lake is. So this is right over off Old Scott Lake Road, which you can access from Cleveland Heights Drive. So really nice established neighborhood. No two homes look the same. Beautiful homes back here. And of course you've got the well-known Scott Lake. And look at these views. So let me just show you. That is Scott Lake right there. It is a private lake, not public access anymore. It was years ago, long time ago. And beautiful, beautiful lake. Skied on it a few times and hydroslided, you name it, it's been a minute. So take a look at this home again, 1249 Lake Point. Notice the pavers as you walk up here. Nice open porch, lanai. You can see it's really cool how they've got the shingles, the angle of the shingles. And again, looking back here, wrought iron gates. And then here you've got another open courtyard. So let's go take a look at the inside and let me show you this beautiful home. So when you first walk in, you can see the beautiful marble floors. I'm gonna say that's marble. I'm almost positive it is. And then this is real wood. You're gonna see a lot of real wood floors throughout the home. Absolutely beautiful. It's in great shape. Formal living room. It's got a lot of shutters throughout. This has crown molding. It's a massive living room you could use for a sitting area. You could make it, I probably wouldn't do an office right here when they first walk in, but there's all kind of multi-use purposes you could have this for. You'll see the shutters this way. Huge formal dining room. Lots of natural light. I've got those shutters barely tiered open, but if you tiered them even more, you'd even see more natural light. But you can see the size of this. Really, really pretty. This is on that end of that courtyard as you're walking up to the home on the right. So you can actually open that up, but we're not going to. This has got crown molding in here too. Let me come back and show you that. And the ceilings are very nice. Beautiful chandelier here. And then you step right into the updated kitchen, which is beautiful. Waterfall island. You can see it's got a sub-zero refrigerator. Plenty of cabinet space and counter space, both. Let me kind of walk around here to give you an idea of this. See the beautiful kitchen. Gorgeous. Look at all the built-ins. Drop a comment below. What do you think about the waterfall look? It's really pretty. You can see that. It goes all the way down. Storage. Notice the cabinets underneath here. Oh, don't want to miss the double oven. Very important. Do you like to cook? If you do, this is the house for you. Plenty of lighting in here. I like how they dropped a lot of extra canned lights in here. Again, you've got the really pretty countertops. Windows overlooking here, and the kitchen sink, stainless steel. You can see a little sink here for your island. Very pretty. Ceramic tile flooring. Nice big area. As you go to the listing, everything is virtually staged. You can get an idea of the layout, how you can set this up. The fireplace. And then this is going to go out to our pool area, which we're going to come back to, show you that along with, I love this little feature here. I'm going to show you that at the end. So hang around until the end. But first, let's go do this. I don't want to get you turned around. So let's go back in through the dining, through the living, and I'm going to take you back in the very front door so you know kind of how this layout works. So we've gone in here. Again, I've taken you to the first right. Now, we're going to come back down this way, which actually connects you to the kitchen, the very end on the left, okay? And you'll be able to see how this all works. But down here, and homes built in this era, the bedrooms were more or less together. You didn't have a split design, split bedroom plan. And I see a lot of young families who actually like the bedrooms together for purposes. Maybe it's a small baby, maybe they want the kids kind of in the same area. So it's actually requested. Now, this is a massive bedroom. Again, these beautiful wood floors are throughout. They're gorgeous. You can tell they've done some interior painting. Again, crown molding in here. Double closets. Plenty of closet space. And again, you got the shutters. So lots of natural light when you open those shutters up. So if you're looking for something like that, right across the way, another massive bedroom. Now, here's a really cool thing about this home already. You've got en-suites in not just the primary suite, but the other 2 bedrooms. So first of all, you don't find bedrooms sizes like this. I'm telling you, this is a great family home. Crown molding, even in these spare bedrooms. Go figure. Okay, ceramic tile flooring here. And then here's your sink, your countertop, the frame mirror. They have tub shower combinations in it. If you want to update it, you could. It's in really good shape. It's solid. This looks to be original. Let me show this to you at an angle. It's kind of cool in a way, right? I don't think it's been painted. I think that's the original color. Very pretty, solid. That thing is not going anywhere until Jesus comes back. They even get it up on the ceiling. It's huge. All right, we got the shutters throughout. Of course, your toilet area here, a little bit of storage. Crown molding in the bathroom. Why not? Why not? Very nice. All right, let's head down to the hallway. Now, so that's 2 bedroom and a bath, right? You saw that. But let's just go ahead and hit the primary suite right off the bat. It's on the left. Huge area here. Look at this. Look how big this is. It's beautiful. So shutters throughout. Again, we've got them cracked a little bit. We're going to show you that backyard in a minute, which I think you'll be very impressed. Beautiful flooring. So big bedrooms, plenty of closet space, bathrooms galore, which is really fitting. Now this bathroom, when they updated it, did a really nice job. Linen closet, beautiful granite countertops, nice cabinets. Love the frame mirror, very classy looking. And then this shower, you can see. In fact, let's open up, get a little reflection here. They did a nice job. Look at the pretty colors, like it all the way up. It's in great condition. Of course, your toilet area here. Now let's go right across, and this is the final bedroom. And again, probably the smaller of the bedrooms, and look how big it is. It's still really big. Crown molding, closet tucked right behind me here, and then again, bathroom, got an ensuite. Looks very similar to the one we just showed you. Same countertop, tub shower combination, same tile. So again, you can see kind of how this builder set this home up. Again, this is a smaller bedroom, but it's still really, really big. All right, let's take you outside. Kind of excited to show you this. But first, there's more. Let's go back down the hallway. This is where we came in. So to the left, first door on the left is your laundry. Okay, big laundry room. I'm gonna show you kind of how this works. You got a laundry sink, washer, dryer, lots of cabinets everywhere. Okay. Oh, I'm seeing something I didn't see earlier. Is it another Sub-Zero fridge? I think it is. So there's not one, but 2 Sub-Zero fridge. Have you ever had one of these before? I have not. I've seen them. They're very nice. Let's go back outside, and there are doors, of course, here, so you can close that off for, there's another door outside there. You can close this off so your laundry's quiet. Massive laundry room. And then here's your guest bath, because you'll see this is gonna be accessible through to the main part of the house. So nice size. Sorry, half bath. Yeah, this is the half. So 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So big guest bathroom. Remember, this is back out to the main room. We just were. Eating kitchen area, really. So you got your formal dining. You could put a round table here. Be a great sitting area. Again, office, because you have plenty of places here to put your couch and your setup. Now, here is that area that I told you come back. So a little bit of a wonky hallway, but right here, that's your laundry. Remember, we saw that. Okay, and then there's that full bath, the guest bath. So you can access it both ways. So it flows very nicely. It's a big house, great area. All right, let's go see the outside and then we'll wrap up our tour. So big pool area, screened in pool, very nice. Now let's go back this way. Something I really like. So you don't see a lot of homes like this. And I'm gonna turn you around here so you have an idea of it. You have a really extra large 2-car carport. But I wanna show you the privacy of this and how unique it is with another courtyard. So you actually enter the home when you would park. So guests are gonna come over one way, they're gonna go down one part of the street, and you're gonna come down almost like a private drive, small, exclusive, right down here. So Lake Point turns off of Old Scott Lake Road. It comes straight down here, and you can tell only a handful of homes down here, and then you come right into your private drive. Kind of like Batman. You just go into the Bat Cave. Any Batman fan out there? Fans. And then really, if you look at this straight on down, one home right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna walk that part of that lot here in a minute, but I love the privacy of this. Now, before we go back, let's take a look at this, which you actually haven't even done yet. So we're gonna kind of walk it and see your side yard. And see, this goes into our front yard, which I wanted to see. All right, oh, pretty red cardinal. So this is to our front side, and I wanted to show you this because I think it's kind of pretty. Little area here. And then that's the left-hand side of the house. And somebody had a little baby because there's a swing. This is for all your drainage. You can see the rocks, drains right there. Getting some nice tropical weather here in mid-June, summer of 2026. Been getting the typical Florida rain. We had something earlier. I was downtown Lakeland and it came down for 30, 45 minutes. Good hard rain. And guess what? Now it's kind of pretty out. Not bad. A little cloudy in certain areas, but humidity usually gets a little bit stronger in July, August, September. If you don't like humidity, don't come to Florida because it's going to be humid almost year round, especially in the summer. But when you live here, like I have my whole life, you kind of get used to it a little bit. Generac generator. You can see your your AC is right here. This is going to be a heater for your pool. So it does have an heater. And it looks like this is on gas. You can tell. So that's gas line. And I saw the tank over here earlier. So you can see that is a above ground gas tank. So you can see that's the way to the pool. So storage right in back here. Isn't this a lovely home? And then again, when you could have somebody park in your driveway and then you can walk right in here. Again, the pretty walkway, ceramic tile flooring. And then you would and bring them in this way also. So a couple different really cool entrances. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough, and we'd love to show you this home. My contact information is below. Also, Bill Kilpatrick, Keller Williams Realty, can also show you this. Thank you so much for tuning in. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of this gorgeous, unique home in Southeast Lakeland. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button if you enjoy video home walkthroughs like this. I also provide valuable content tips, you name it, from buying, selling, moving to Florida, moving to Central Florida. Let's connect and have a conversation and talk about your real estate needs. Thanks so much for tuning in. God bless.